Hi friend, my name is Usmansheikh, and in this lecture I am going to continue subnetting. So I have an address of classless address. Why classless? Because the slash value is not a range, and I know that the class A having addresses from 1 to 8 in slash value. These are network bits having class A, and class B having the slash value mean to say network bits 9 to 16. Similarly, in class C, the network bits may be 17 to 24, and in class D, the network bits may be 25 to 32. So as I know there here the address is 172 and it is class B address, and I have to use the value from these value. So I have to use the 13, which is between 9 and 16. Okay, and I have to create some of the question to create understanding. You can see there here and that I have to create 1 2 3 4 5 questions, and you can see that I have to create a 5 question to create understanding. And first of all, you see that I have to write there, and I have to discuss it in my previous video also. And you can see the power of 2 is 0 is equals to 1, and similarly it goes towards down, and the power of 2 is 7, which is equals to 1 to 8. And keep in mind these values, and also keep in mind the ranges of classes, and these are the network weights of class A, class B, class C, and class D network weights, and class fulls network weights. Okay, first of all, I am going to solve my first question, which is how many subnets in it. So I have an address or classless address. So I have to put there the address, and you see that the slash value is 13, and here we have to try to understand that what is the next value from 13 in from these 4 values. So I have to see that the next value from 13 is 16, and the last value of 13 is 8, but I have just to see that the next value of 13 is 16. So I have to subtract 13 from 16, which is equals to 3, and you see that the value I have to get the value which is 3, and now I put the value in the power of 2, and power 2 when I put in it power 2, then it gives to me and a result which is 8. Okay, I have to write the table of 8 from 0 to 255. So I have to see that the result shows 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, and it goes to 256 till 256. No, you can see that the slash value is 256 when I add all of my 8 bits, then the result is 255. When you add 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64 and plus 28, then the result is equals to 255. Okay, now so the value I have to write the table having the value 258 and 256. 256 is greater than 255, so I will ignore to it, and the maximum value is 255, so I can't write to it. So okay, you see there. The first question is how many subnets in it. How many subnets in it? Okay, the table 0 to 248 having about 30 having 32 exact 32 is sub 32 values, like as a 0 is 1, 8 is 2, 16 is 3, 24 is 4, and onward goes to 248. These are total values are 32. So I have to get 32, which are the total subnet in this ID and subnetwork ID, and I have to get the answer of the first question. How many bits in it? There are 32 bits in it. Okay, the next question, how many addresses per subnet? Now I'm going to find out the addresses per subnet. How many addresses in one subnet? So no, I have to write the subnets one by one. In its there you can see that I have to put the value which is get from the table in the right octet. Why I have to put the value in right octet in second octet? Why? Because the changing bits, because you can see that 13 lies there, lies there, and you can see uh, uh, octet B, octet second octet, it's a works first second slash mean 16, and you can see that when 8 bits are on, then the per octet having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 octets, dot, and about we have 13, and the slash value is 13. We have to put 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now I will complete it to 8. I will put there 8 digit, but these digits are 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3. These are 8 digit. I have to complete the second octet, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. I have to complete the third octet. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and I have to write the 13. I have to write 13 in bits, one by one bits. So you can see in extreme left octet, you will see all the bits are not 0 and not 1. So I will change in this bit. The value I have to derive from subnet from this address, this 08 16, will be put in second octet. So that's why I have to put the value which is get from there in second bit 0 8 and goes towards 250 248. Also wrongly I have to put there 172 dot 248 dot 0 and slash value is 13. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, and for first question I have to complete. You will see that these are 32 subnetwork IDs, and each ID can be used for the each one branch. And now the second question is how many addresses per subnet. You will see here how many addresses per subnet, and you can see that you can see there how many are subnets. oh sorry, I'm going to expand this address to get uh, IPs in this address. You can see that the first is 172.0.0.0/13, and you see that the second is 172.1.0.0 slash dot 0.0.1/13 is second. A second, the many of the IP addresses in it. I will put the 172.0.0.0 and one goes to 255 and one goes to 255. I will write there 254 because 255 is not valid, it is a broadcast ID, and I will write there 254 slash 13. Similarly, it goes I will in next address I will put there 1, and here 0, either here 1 to 251 234 and 250 towards 255. I will write there 2, here 0 255, then I will write there 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it will goes to goes on, and here 0 and 1 to 255. Next, when I will complete 256 255 there and 255 there and 254 there, then I will complete all of the IP addresses in it. And there are many of addresses in this subnetwork ID. Okay, and you can, there's a formula to find out the IP addresses in one subnet, which is 2 power 2, the power of 2 is subtract slash value from 32 minus 32, subtract the value of slash is 13, which is equals to 19, and put 19 in power of 2, and this is a very big value. You can calculate it. These are total addresses in this address. Similarly, same addresses in this address, and these 32 subnetwork IDs having the many of the addresses. How many addresses per subnet? 7. No, it's wrong. Okay, thanks for watching.